working with Chef Malden today. He's an old friend. He's a 5th generation Laurelite.
I went to school at Ole Miss, moved all around the country, ended up coming back.
We really like this street.
It's a good one. Joe's not looking for a forever house.
No, he's a bachelor.
What I'm really looking for in Laurel is something that I could enjoy myself in and that also could be a good investment.
Chef, pretty flexible on budget. He just adamant about staying low on price per square foot.
Budget is right around $250,000. Ideally, I'd like to stay under $100 a square foot range.
This one is the Carr house. Gertrude and William Carr lived here for 40 years. He was a doctor in town. 2,800 square feet.
Okay.
4 bedrooms, 3 bath. They're asking $140,000. This one was done in the 50s, 60s.
But you look down the street and it was all done in the 20s.
It's time for an update,
Yes.
a refresher.
To bring it back into the 20s.
I would agree with that.
I have ideas, though. I did a painting of how I envisioned the Carr house.
Wow, that's incredible.
Remove all the vinyl siding, go in with new lap siding, all new color. I'm gonna add a cute little shed dormer, especially since there is a 2nd story. Adding historic windows and a new front door that's more craftsman style. Then raise the porch up level with the bottom of the door.
Love it.
All right, I'm in.
Okay.
It's already a bachelor pad.
Yep.
Big screen TV. It's very subtle.
I've never seen a bigger sofa, though.
Well, it goes with the
Real
TV.
talk. It does, they match.
Yeah.
Things we did to the exterior would change this room a lot.
So you have bigger windows, more light coming in.
I think the windows would really open this house up. All right.
What do you think?
I honestly am dumbfounded.
This kitchen has all the modern amenities. There we go.
Oh, nice. And I can play my DVDs.
What we do love about the kitchen is the size of it. It's plenty big for a king-size bed and a nightstand on each side.
Yeah.
Great master bedroom.
Could be. Oh my goodness. Well, it's a pink highlighter exploded and you have a bathroom.
But this is the
Yeah,
best part of the bathroom. Like,
See,
who
look,
can
listen.
use a mirror that's
Bring it down here.
wasteless?
Exactly what I was thinking.
So to do all of that brings us to 117 for the renovation.
Yep.
They're asking 140, so all in 257, 2,800 square feet, $92 a square foot.
That would work.
You said you wanted us to stay under 100, and we're trying to stay under 95.
Yeah, that's great.
And the next house also stays under 95.
The Grubs House.
That is green.
That one's a little different.
Just a tad.
Well, we call it the Grubs House because Caroline and Don Grubbs lived here for 45 years, and he was the principal at R.H. Watkins, your alma mater.
How about that?
Built in 1920. It's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2,400 square feet. They're asking 139. It's a little more price per square foot, but it doesn't need as much work.
What do you think?
I think the house desperately needs a front porch. It's got to be painted.
Okay.
What is your favorite color?
Green, man. But that doesn't do it for me.
This is what I would want to do.
Oh, that's awesome.
Paint the whole house a really soft sage, almost a gray color. Take off these shutters because they're not functional. Keep the flower boxes and a new front door, something that's more of a bungalow cottage style. Build a gable and build a front porch so we bring out some dimension. Okay.
It's good light, but I mean, other than that, there's not much to say.
They set it all out front.
It's very quiet in here.
It needed to calm down a little.
Look, great floors.
If you say so.
They're oak. They just need to be sanded.
Okay.
In here, this is what I would change. I would definitely replace this crown, paint a new light fixture in the center of the living room. I want to take down most of this wall, separating the kitchen from the dining room. It would make the whole room feel so much bigger. So let's go to the kitchen.
I mean, it's a good space for this old of a home. It's just not being utilized very well. I mean, I don't feel like there's much counter space.
The whole kitchen's right here.
It's good light. I like the windows.
Bedroom here and a bedroom here.
And we were thinking that this would be your master
So here's the
because
bathroom.
it's got a master suite.
Check it out.
Oh, wow.
Who needs a shower?
Yeah, no.
Who needs a bathtub? You think that's small? Check out this master closet.
You can't walk in.
You could hang all of your Ole Miss bow ties on there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Obviously, it doesn't work like this. I would recommend that we use this as the door into your bathroom, and this all went away.
Okay.
Because we then use this bedroom on the other side of the wall to become your master bathroom. It'll make more sense if you can see it from here. This bedroom becomes a bathroom.
We would annex this closet and half the half bath
Okay.
as part of the master closet.
Yeah.
So well more than double. Nice.
All right, they're asking 139.
Right.
Everything we want to do is 70 grand. So all in 209. It's 2,400 square feet. We're at 87 a square foot.
Nice.
Jeff, I don't know about this
Is
dock.
it gonna hold Ben?
With Ben on it makes me a little nervous. I wouldn't step right there though.
Did you think about houses?
I did think about it, and
Did you get the blue house or the greenhouse? Grubs or car?
With the greenhouse.
Grubs!
Yeah!
Because
Yay!
green's your favorite color.
Yeah.
Grubs.
Grubs was his favorite.
Grubs is greater.
I mean, there's some things I like about the Grubs house that I didn't like as much with the car house and vice versa.
Yeah.
But I just went with the one that got me most excited.
I'm glad feeling one. I think it was my talk about the kitchen.
You said modern masculine and it seemed like would fit him. Those are buzzwords for a dude.
Okay, let's hit it. We're peeling the onion today, all these little white layers.
Everything in this kitchen is white.
Everything in this
Everything
house
in this
is
house.
white. Waiting on the lead removal guys to get here because we can't take this kitchen wall down till they come do their thing. So I'm drawing Shuff's future life here. Well, I think he's got a hot date coming up as soon as that house is ready.
Who's this?
Shuff's lady friend. And she's like, "Oh, Shuff, your kitchen's so pretty. I love it." We got those black stone countertops. She's very impressed with them.
Wow. He's got a glass of wine in his hand because there's gonna be a wine fridge here.
Oh, yeah, for sure. Big glass of wine. Look how fun and sociable.
They're living the life, aren't they?
Well, dang, this doesn't look good. Katie, what the heck?
You've got this brace up here, so it's totally safe for right now. But look right here. There's so much sag on where this structural wall was giving no structure.
That's so scary. Because right there, it looks like it's not supported at all, huh?
Yeah, our plan is that we're gonna put in a laminated beam here to hold this load.
It looks like there's some rot in the floor here. We can get Mike to go ahead and replace that.
We got a beam going up between the dining room and the kitchen. I like that.
Good looking beam.
Solid beam. Tough. I think you about got it.
Yeah.
Today on the porch, the goal is to get all the posts set. Then drop the concrete in. Then we're gonna have to peel back the roof so that we can get in there and actually frame the
New
porch, yeah, to the house.
Getting ready to build my bench. The leg shaving apparatus is what that is. Because this is what happens when you don't have the bench.
Karate Kid.
Break your neck. Yeah. I've got the tile sample.
So this is shower tile.
Yes, it's gonna go all the way up to the ceiling, and the walls will be painted like a deep cream color, so the grout is gonna match the paint color.
Oh, slipping. Got it, I got it.
All right.
Cabinet day? Are we there already? Why are we stopping here? Why don't we just...
Because they got to go get the rest of the cabinets, so we're just getting them off the trailer. Did you intend for these to be the same color as the house?
Yes. It's such a lovely, neutral, gray-green. I thought we should just go ahead and carry it on into the kitchen. It's like a great neutral to work from because the backsplash is gonna be really cool.
Is it going to be as cool as those window boxes?
The window boxes look amazing.
I think that my little touch on the planter boxes made a big difference.
It did make a big difference.
And it's subtle, which is not a big difference. Subtle.
So these are fillers. I think let's get some spillers. Spillers. Chef's house is done. It is here. We're gonna have a gorgeous house.
A solid house.
Period. Full stop.
Killed it.
You love it.
Oh my goodness.
Still the greenhouse, it's just not that green.
I thought it would be great. A really soft sage.
Love it.
Check it out.
Oh, wow. That's awesome. Oh, it's perfect. I love it. Feels like a completely different room. Y'all did an incredible job in here. Ah, unbelievable. I mean, it really is. I'm having trouble remembering what it was like before.
A lot of white tile,
Yeah,
lots.
everywhere.
The countertops, I thought it would be cool to go with like a very luxury, heavy black granite.
It's incredible, guys. I like the pulls. I love the cabinets. The room feels completely different.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Love it.
check this closet out.
I want to see this.
This is the
I
closet.
promised you a bigger one.
Wow, great closet. I mean, the house needed it.
Master bath
It was really tiny.
is no longer.
Oh, wow.
We moved your closet. This wall came out.
That is incredible.
A master suite is what makes a house resellable someday.
Absolutely. Unbelievable.
Yeah?
What you guys did for that? I love it.